hôn thơ vun hồ ông vợ tay kịp anh lối dun tu ige sang gam ta inam piu ito diu tampi inay na lai ay ho idin kihe mo sa zing hiu ham itin out ng hanggang patilin e po hangloy pinaputet senagam duhangin e ho aso pote galzo nilopi humase.
Today, under the directive of Kuki Inpi Manipur, the Kuki Inpi Ukhrul and KSO Ukhrul organized a public rally along this Infar Ukhrul road, starting from Mahadev to which will be finishing at Itansarikon Community Hall. Recently, the tribal population in Manipur has faced many illegals and unconstitutional toward the state government. So I would like to request the state government, and to the governor of Manipur that for one point only, the matter pertaining to reserve forest, protected site, wildlife sanctuary, and extensions of MLR in hill areas is pending in different civil court and National Commission for Scheduled Tribe, whereas there is no final judgment on this matter. So I feel the state government should leave this matter to the judgment of civil court and NCST verdict. Thank you.
Igam